Hello and welcome to Master English with Ali. Today I have a meaningful story about patience, growth, and learning from challenges. Let's jump right into it. In the heart of a large forest stood an ancient tree, known to all the animals as the wise old tree. It had been there for hundreds of years, with its root deep in the earth and its branches stretching high into the sky. The tree had survived storms and many challenges. All the younger trees admired the wise old tree for its strength and resilience. One day, a young sapling nearby asked the wise old tree, "How do you stay so strong and tall when the storms come?" "I get shaken every time the wind blows." The wise old tree smiled and said, "When I was young like you, I too was shaken by the winds. There was time when I thought I wouldn't make it through the storms, but each time my roots grew deeper into the ground and I became stronger." The sapling was curious and asked, "So it is the storm that made you strong?" "Yes," the wise old tree replied. "Without the storm, I wouldn't have learned how to stand tall. Each storm taught me how to bend without breaking and how to hold on when the winds tried to pull me down. Every challenge made my roots stronger and helped me grow." The sapling thought for a moment and asked, "But what if I can't handle the next big storm?" The wise old tree's leaves rustled gently in the breeze, and as it answered, "The storm may shake you, but if you stand firm, it will help you grow. Trust in your roots. With each challenge you face, you will grow stronger, just like I did." And so, as the season passed, the young sapling faced many storms. Some were harsh, but each time it remembered the wise old tree's words. With each storm, its roots grew deeper, and one day it too became a tall, strong tree admired by all. Moral of the story: challenges are part of growth. They may shake you, but they also make you stronger. Every difficulty you face helps you become a better, stronger version of yourself. Thank you for watching Master English with Ali. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring lessons. Remember, the strongest trees are the ones that grows through the storm. See you next time.